All right, what's up, guys? That's what we got today. We are trying out this VELVALOK here. Gonna try to preserve our Axis velvet buck that we got in Hawaii. VELVALOK's a company that's been around a while, but it's the first velvet animal we've had. We've used their Velvet Clean before, and that's worked great. But today we're preserving velvet antlers. So we're gonna get right into it. I'll show you the setup we got here going on. So right there we got our antlers ready to go. Beautiful buck, we're very happy with. But we got to preserve it, the velvet, before we ship it off to the taxidermist. So without further ado, the directions state you're going to hold no less than an inch away. With the spray bottle, you're going to coat the antlers, get it nice and soaked, and keep it upright in this position. They were very specific to not hang it upside down. So we're going to get to it. It says 72 hours it should be preserved, and spray her down. They say put it out in the sun if possible, so it's a nice sunny day today. We're gonna get going. We'll get back with you. Give you a close-up here on the last front point here. See if we can focus in on. Alright, did they say you want to start right at the tip? And you can see how it saturates. The point is to get it penetrating into the actual skin layer of the velvet to cure like a tanning solution, like you would on a hide. Beautiful. All right, we'll give it one last once over so that everything is sufficiently soaked. Put her out in the sun to cure. So there we are. She is completely saturated. You can see the runoff there. Super cool deer. Hopefully this works flawlessly. I don't see why it shouldn't, but pretty simple. That took what, 5 minutes maybe? Not including prep time of just, setting it up properly. But I'm gonna set it out in the sun, give it 72 hours, and maybe give it another soaking, but see how it turns out. 72 hours. I'll get back with you. So here we go, direct sunlight to cure. It's looking pretty good. It's nice and warm today. The bottle says 80 degrees and higher is recommended. Today it's probably about 85, so it's perfect. Give it the rest of the day, and then 72 hours, give it the old check. I don't think I've seen something cooler than the velvet on this Axis buck. It is just awesome. Photobomb from our buddy Moose there. But yeah, that is a cool animal, and I cannot wait to see how he turns out. All right, 72 hours later. she's looking good. You can definitely tell the membrane dried up real good. It's tightened up to the bone there, and pretty much feels just like antler. It's pretty rock solid. You can see where the membrane sucked in and really hardened up on the antler, on the ridge lines of the antler, and yeah, she's looking good. So gonna go ahead, pack her up, send her out to the taxidermist, I think. But yeah, VELVALOK, I'm impressed. I like it. Give it a shot.